Alright, YouTube, this is the 21 inch or 21 degree framing nailer from Harbor Freight. We got the scent. I know it's dirty. I used it, but yeah. Anyways, this is the Central Pneumatic framing nailer. It's a big sucker. Framing nailer from Harbor Freight. Basically, you got your sorry. You got your single. You got your trigger right here. All this is rubber, nice soft rubber. All this is aluminum metals. This particular gun uses 10 gauge 2 3/8 to 3 1/4 long 21 inch framing nailers or framing nails. Maximum PSI is 120. This is this part here is the part where you can take off and put the screws on. This is the lock itself. What you do is just push it up and then you just lock with this. And to unlock it, all you have to do is just push this, put it together, and then push this, and then release, and then it'll go back. But yeah. What else we got here? Okay, I'll show you guys the nails if I can take them out. Oh. These are the nails. I would recommend to get these nails at a Home Depot or Lowe's. I heard bad things about the nails from Harbor Freight, that they make these guns jam up. So I went to get these nails at Home Depot. It was the cheapest route I could go, and good quality nails, doesn't ever jam. So these are good nails, Home Depot. All right. Anyways, when I was using this. I didn't get any jams. It was rare that I would get a jam. The only time I would get a jam is if I leave the nails about this much from here to here. So every time I got to this point, I just got a brand new strip of nails and put it through that little hole. There's a hole right here. You guys see that hole? Just stick the nails in there, put them all the way up, and then just. Well, actually, I messed up. You gotta. Alright, you gotta do this first. You gotta push this all the way back. Okay, once you push it all the way back, then you can put your nails in there. Put your nails in that hole, and then just put them all the way up, like that. And then just see this tab here. Push this tab in, or push both of them in. This one and this one. And then you just can release it. Once you release it, it locks into place. Make sure the last nail is on the bottom of this tab. So this tab has to be on the top. Oh, and also when you're nailing, this, if I can show you guys, this tab here is like a little lock mechanism. This has to be pushed in, and then your trigger has to be pressed, and that's when your nail actually shoots out. If this is not pressed in like that, the nail will not shoot out. That's like a safety, yeah, like a little safety lock there. Anyways, I gotta say nothing. I have nothing bad to say about this nailer. The only thing that I didn't like about this is that well, I guess it's not that bad. The only thing I like it is because when you, let's see, okay, I'll demonstrate it. Alright, you got a board here, right? And then you push it, and then you press your trigger, right, to shoot. When you do that and you don't put any pressure on the gun, you'll sometimes you get the nail to stick up a little bit. I know what you guys are gonna say, you experts on nailing or framing. I did bump up the PSI. I would say about 110, 115 PSI. And it did help a little bit, but yeah, you still had on this gun, you still have to put pressure on it so the nail goes all the way in there. Otherwise, you'll end up hammering the rest of the nail in there, which is not that bad, you know, a few hits. But if you're a professional framer, you know, this is gonna slow you down. So I guess you could still use this as professional, but I would recommend if you're a professional and you're gonna be using it all the time, I mean, get yourself a better brand. But this is a good backup nailer. This is not gonna let you down. It's perfect for small projects or a do-it-yourselfer project. I gotta say, if I wouldn't have this nailer, it would have taken me weeks to do that doggy house. But with this thing, the longest thing, the most of the time, the stuff that took longer was the cutting part. The cutting part and the measuring part, that took longer. The framing it with the nails, nailing it together, that was just a couple minutes, just bang bang, and just, you know, pretty much. And what else? This is it comes with this adapter here for the air hose. And as you can see here, you have to oil it daily or oil it every 2 hours you use it. And this is the pressure air thing. So if you want to move it, you can. So the air, when the air releases it, it releases to one side. That's what this is for. Anyways, yep. As you can see, this it's a great gun from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon. We'll see you guys in the next one.